Good afternoon. Here we are in the middle of Rugeley. It's a market day, so there's plenty of life in Rugeley today. Gorgeous day, gorgeous sunshine, and we're going from Rugeley town centre, where we are at the moment, and we're going out through Rugeley Park and follow the heritage trail to Cannock town centre. May split it because there's a couple of features on the heritage trail which I want to have a close look at, but that's the journey today. Right, bear with me a second while I put the crazy looking skid lid on. Yes.
What's the YouTube channel?
Hang on a second. The scooter's called Woody.
Woody.
Please subscribe, it's got a good following at the moment.
I will subscribe. Thank you.
Wood E.
Nice. Have a good day.
You too. In fact, you may even see yourself on the Cheers, see you in a bit. Okay guys, let's rip. Oh, look at this. This is a lovely park. This is Rugeley Park, where ducks seem to wander around and oh great. Oh, look at this. I suppose the water level's fairly high at the moment. It's not usually that much water going across that weir. There are ducks all over the place. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Hey, look. Oh, look here. Look a minute. What's that? Gotta have a close look. Hang on. Bloody leg. Just bear with me a second. Right. Look at this. Oh, this is lovely. Isn't that beautiful? I think this is the remains of one of the mills that was here. But that's a beautiful little ornamental bridge. Oh wow. Bear with me. Stay. Oh dear, if you've got all day, hang on. I'm getting there. What the hell? This is what Woody means to me. I can get out to places like this and see beauty like that. Oh my God. Oh, wow. That's a view that takes your socks off. Oh wow. Fantastic. Now if I hadn't got a scooter, would I be here doing this? Not a chance. Can't get a car here. You have to walk here, and that's my legs. Beautiful. Oh, don't wander off leaving your scooter unattended with the keys in it. It's not a wise move. What have I just done? Right. It says on there, Slitting Mill along Rising Brook. I take it that this is Rising Brook, and there's an old-fashioned picture of the mill that was, called Slitting Mill. I know the area is called Slitting Mill, but didn't know it was named after that place. Oh, there you go.
Oh, my sense to singing that song for you. The party nights and souls are soul, and the angels come round and make us whole. Angels come round and make us whole. Angels come round and make us
Oh boy. Blue sky. A few fluffy clouds around. Going to give us loads of sunshine. I don't know what you wear when you go out on your scooter, but I'm pretty casually dressed. If you've noticed, I wear a riding helmet. It's not a crash hat or skid lid. It's actually a horse riding helmet, or riding horses. And just feels a little bit better. And the main reason I wear it isn't necessarily for protection or safety. It's got a really good peak, and it goes over the lens of the camera, which gives the camera lens a bit of shade and cover. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, this is the remains of the other mill. Hiya. We'll be stopping and having a look. Oh. Look at this. I'm not going to go down there. If I go down there, I ain't going to get out again. Isn't that perfect? That was obviously the end of the mill race, and there would have been a building and a water wheel and all sorts of stuff. But that waterfall still here is really nice. I'm going to see if I can get up on top. Pretty sure I can. Yeah, look, there's the authorities have been doing a bit of maintenance on this, I think, because it's if you look, that stream is much higher than the land. Good on you, Woody. Oops. No, don't run away. Stay. Yes, stream much higher than the land. It is a mill race, I suppose, but the entire length of this trail is a man-made stream. Let's go have a look. Bear with me a second while I get myself across. Oh boy, this is super. Looks as though they've got a bit of a leak. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's very picturesque. I expect to see a hobbit pop out of the... Look at this. Clear water. This has just come off the chase, I suppose. It hasn't got any detergent put in it yet. Well, it'll get that further down. And I can see a fish. Always a good sign. Oh, fantastic. Yes, they've had to reinforce the embankment, but that's the original, or the overflow stream, I suppose. Oh boy, bit of a rickety bridge. Ah, look at that! Isn't that fantastic? Oh, love it. This is wonderful. Get myself back. This gives you an idea of how far I can actually walk. Oh boy. I can see his lordship in the distance. Now then, if I hadn't got Woody, what do you think the chances are of me being here to enjoy this? The word zero comes to mind. I keep forgetting the microphone is on my sleeve, so I shouldn't wave my arm around much. But crikey, keep going. But that, ooh, that is. Can you hear the birdie? Right, condition of the batteries is low.
Over and over and over again. Through the years, froze the moment I saw you.
And I'm so glad I live near here. Look at him. Hey, cool dude. Cheers. Through the end of the trail. Cheers. Right, get a gap in the traffic.